Welcome back to 4-H Embryology. Today is day 18 for our embryos. I've washed my hands. I'm going to turn my eggs over. I'm going to record the temperature and the humidity, and you can do that at home. You can take a drink of water, write down the temperature on your thermostat or your thermometer at home, and write down the time of day. But I need to tell you something about the chicken eggs. Day 18 is the last day that we turn them. So I've got my little chicken here. Maybe you have a stuffed animal. Today's the day to take your chicken egg and put it in a safe place under a stuffed animal somewhere where it's protected, because we're not going to be turning them anymore. If you look on our embryology record sheet for chickens, the last 3 days are crossed out. We'll still record the temperature and the humidity, and we'll write down the time of day, but we won't be turning them. Those embryos are getting ready to hatch. They're getting in position to hatch. Here's our drawing of the day 18 embryo. You can see it's getting bigger and bigger. The yolk sac is getting smaller. The air cell is growing as that chick absorbs oxygen and gives off carbon dioxide. And the embryo needs to be still so that it can get in position to hatch. So there's a word I haven't told you about. It's the incubation periods. Different kinds of birds take different amounts of time to hatch. And our turkeys take 28 days to hatch, but our chickens take 21 days. Now I know what you're thinking, that the bigger birds take longer to hatch, but it's not true. Coturnix quail are small. They take 16 to 18 days to hatch, but the chickens are bigger than that. They take 21 days to hatch. The bobwhite quail eggs are small. Those are the ones that we use in the schools normally. They take 23 to 24 days to hatch. And it's really important to know this poultry incubation period when you're hatching eggs, because the last 3 days you increase the humidity and you don't turn them. So I haven't shown you the bottom of the incubators. This is a third incubator that I have to show you. It has a screen in the bottom to help keep the eggs from rolling around and to let the moisture come through. But it's also got this plastic tray, and the tray has numbers in it, molded 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first 18 days for our chickens, we only put water in number 1. And the water can travel all the way around here. That means it has a lot of surface area to evaporate. Well, starting tomorrow, I'm not going to turn my chicken eggs, and I'm going to be putting water in trough number 1 and trough number 2. So starting tomorrow for the chicken eggs will be the hatching phase. And during the hatching phase, we want the humidity to be between 55 and 65%. So we'll be adding more water. The air will be more humid for our eggs. I'm going to bend the camera down because this is the last time you'll be looking at the chicken eggs in the incubator. And I'm going to turn my chicken eggs 3 times today, and we'll candle them tonight, but that will be the last time that we turn them. This is day 18 for our embryos. This is the turkey egg. And I'm thinking the only thing we're going to be able to see in here is the air cell. The chick has filled up the egg. We can only see the air cell. Here's our chicken egg. And the same is true. There are some veins there. And if I turn my egg so that you can see the rounded side, there's the air cell for the chicken egg. I'm also seeing some veins on that side. So once I turn these eggs, we're not going to be moving the chicken eggs anymore. So this is the last time we're going to candle.